Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks to those that have subscribed to my YouTube and on Instagram and TikTok. Today I'll be running us through our application process to Saskatchewan Polytechnic School. So firstly, I will run us through the different categories of programs. So we have School of Agriculture, School of Business, School of Computing and Digital Innovation, School of Construction, School of Transportation, Center for Continuing Education. We have different. So after you have seen all this, just click on few programs. So when you click on few programs, you will depend on the program that you want to choose. So let's say we want to take carpentry, we click on carpentry, we type it there, it will bring it up. So Saskatchewan Polytechnic have 4 campuses. We have Regina, Moose Jaw, Saskatoon and Prince Albert. So out of these 4 locations, the carpentry program is running in 3 places: Moose Jaw, Prince Albert and Saskatoon. So if you click on few, then the program is under School of Construction. So this is apply. This is the number you can call if you need more clarification on this program. This is the length of the program. This is the location for the program, Moose Jaw campus and Saskatoon. And the current student now, they started in January 6th and their program will end in May. So if you need more information about this, browse through Sask Polytech or you contact this number. As an international, you dial 1-866-467-4278. That is the number that you can call. So after that, after you have went through all this, you will see the tuition fee. You will see some courses that you will run, that you will study. Then you click on, you have seen the amount that you're going to pay as a school fees. Then you click on apply. Once you click on apply, it will bring this. So this is the application form. So if you click on application form, it will bring you here. So you have to register your information. You have your ID and password that you will be using to sign in when you want to check if your application has been accepted. Very sure Saskatchewan Polytechnic will send you email after you have done the necessary, you have followed the necessary step. So fees, online application fee is $80 for domestic students and $150 is for international students. So follow the process. Once you submit, you will get email confirmation. What's next to do, they will mention it for you in the email that will be sending to you. So I will take it again. That is the way you can apply at Saskatchewan Polytechnic and some programs that is running in Saskatchewan Polytechnic. Don't forget, Saskatchewan Polytechnic is running 150 programs. So out of these 150 programs, if you are an high school student that want to continue your education, apply to Saskatchewan Polytechnic today. If you are an individual person that want to change career or you want to improve on your career, so apply to Saskatchewan Polytechnic. Saskatchewan Polytechnic will run you through from a theoretical aspect to practical aspect, which make you understand more of the program that you choose. Let me just run you through again. Choose your program, visit Sask Polytech website and explore the option. 2. Check admission requirements. Some programs need specific grade, experience. After you have checked the admission requirements, apply online. Go to the Sask Polytech admission portal, fill out the application and upload any requirement document. I will bring more information about Saskatchewan Polytechnic. Please subscribe to my YouTube if you have not subscribed. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you.